I gotta clean my windshield. Today is Aaron's day. Yesterday I was not able to get my verified TIN number, so I'm going to continue that today. Ambulance. And after that, we have a 1 p.m. PKS or Product Knowledge Seminar for the developer Duros. Honestly, I don't know what their projects are.
She felt tears in her eyes, but whether she wept for Sodontus Hollard, for Joff, for Tyrion, or for herself, Sansa could not say. Is it all lies? Forever and ever, everyone and everything? Almost everyone. Save you and I, of course. He smiled.
I went back outside. No parking available. So I'll park at the Meridian, just right across. I have parked. Now to lie, to make an excuse to park here.
Eventually.
Init! I waited for 1 hour and about 35 minutes to be entertained and have my TIN number verified, and it only took about 2 minutes. Why? One person was on leave. There were 2 counters available for verification. One counter was on leave, counter number 2, and the first counter, the personnel had lunch. There was a mandate by the president that government agencies should have a working lunch, so that means no lunch breaks for them. Unfortunately, BIR, that personnel in counter 1, he was on lunch break. And the one who entertained us was the girl from counter 22. She was back and forth. That's why it took me almost 2 hours. The PKS was great. There's this new type of selling point a prospective client pushes through with the purchase of a 1 Paget place in Lahug or a 1 Tectonic in Liloan. They will automatically be a lifetime member of the golf club in Liloan. It's a big and new golf club here in Cebu. I have a certain audience in mind. I know the people who I can reach to. I believe I can sell this property to the best of my ability. I will sell them all. I'm gonna declare it. And then after that, we had late lunch, very late lunch at 3:30 in Landers. And then after Landers, Regine and Geraldine went for grocery shopping. Well, went for dessert shopping, cake shopping. They bought cake and we bought ice cream. After we had lunch, we went on our separate ways. And Regine and Geraldine decided to buy some things because today is the start of the sale. So they went there and bought buy one take one cakes. And then I saw this table here in Landers where they were eating a certain ice cream. It was Toblerone, and we went ahead and bought it. We looked for it, and it tasted heavenly. It was really, really good. All you need to do.